Am I freaking myself out talking about this? Bump update. Oh my god, there's no way a baby can fit that. Okay, so it is Tuesday afternoon. I've just finished filming some videos, taking some pictures downstairs. Check out my lovely necklace. It's got baby boy's name on it. How cute is that? Yeah, so I decided that since today is kind of busy, I might as well update y'all with a few things that are going on. We finally got our new couch, which is right behind me. It's got some clothes that I just got done taking pictures in on it. We got like an extra corner seat. Don't mind James's flip-flops. But yeah, this is our couch. It's a bit messy right now. Shush, shush. So this is our new couch that we've got. It's really nice. A little bit bigger than I thought it was. And then there's also a a side chair. I don't know, whatever that's called. And then we also have this new shelving unit thing that we need to put holes in so we can put like our little virgin box and stuff in there. But yeah, we've been doing loads of updates. So let me go ahead and show y'all what we have updated. If I don't run out of breath. Okay. All right, so I don't know if I'm not sure if I've ever done this before. Oh no, that's not the light for that. We've got new light switches and everything, so. We have got new lighting put in, new spotlights, which are bomb. They're so bright, they give great light. Schmidt! Shush. Excuse me. We've painted. When I say we, I don't mean me, but there's paint here everywhere. We've got all of our new doors on, light switch, messiness painting, stuff like that. All the stuff we need. Got all the doors on. This one still needs a handle. And then baby's nursery is coming along. We have got the stripes on the wall, which I wanted so bad. It's so messy in here, y'all. It's so messy in here, but it's coming along. Things are slowly but surely getting there. We get carpet next week, so I'll be so happy to say goodbye to this. Oh, y'all see how we living? Y'all see how we living? Yeah, so let me just sit up and talk to y'all for a few. My stomach it's there. It's there. I feel like we are so close but so far. Usually I see people by now, they have their nurseries up. So it is making me a little bit nervous that we still have to put carpet down before we can move all the stuff we got into the nursery and set that up. So it's gonna take a while, maybe a few weeks, and then I might feel a little bit more settled. But as of right now, I am freaking out. But I'm really good at keeping like calm, if that makes sense. I'm just hoping that everything is done in time. There's no like early surprises. I don't know, I really want to do a baby haul. People are asking for a baby haul as well, but I can't even get to the stuff that I want to haul until we get like everything settled. Next week, my appointment with my midwife, which I may try and vlog a bit. We're going over my birth plan, which I'm a little nervous about. There's just so many different positions you can be in, so many different ways you can have birth. If you want to be in a pool, if you want to be on a bed, if you want to be squatting, if you want to be like zen with the music. Just all the risk as well that you need to know that goes along with giving birth. There is just a lot of stuff that you gotta be prepared for. I'm starting now to get my go bag together. Any moms out there who have gotten their go bag, when did you start getting yours ready? Like, I'm so nervous that I won't have mine ready in time, but I still need a few like things to add to my go bag. I also need to be able to get to the clothes in one of the rooms so I can wash them and put them in my go bag for him to have an outfit to come home in. What else? I don't know. These are just all my worries as I'm talking to y'all. I am living on a construction site right now, so it's just trying to wrap my head around getting everything done and knowing that there will be an end to this and that everything will be all nice and ready for his arrival. Also, my parents come to stay with us. We got them like a new bed, so we have to build that. Well, you know what I mean by we, like not French. James will be building it. I have to build that bed, have to build baby's bed, baby's dresser, hang baby's stuff up, baby's pictures. Am I freaking myself out talking about this? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. The rest of my day is gonna be pretty boring, so I'll probably be back tomorrow because it'll probably be more fun, isn't it? It's kind of dark. It's kind of dark. So I'm just gonna put some stuff in this top drawer. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do it yet. Actually, I'm gonna put y'all on the floor with me. I think I'm gonna sit on the floor and organize it that way because I'll be tired. Cool. Cool. Okay, so my sister-in-law gave us like this huge bag. She's been like picking up diapers and stuff every day. Not every day, every time she goes to like the grocery store and stuff. Wipes, other stuff. Just like little things that will really help us out, which is nice. Smell good. All kind of stuff. What's that? Grippers. Force tape. Rattlers. Everything. Pacifier. They call them dummies here in England, but whatever. So, whew, I don't know how I'm gonna organize these first. Why does it say 22 on it? What does 22 mean? 2 to 5 kg, 4 pounds, 22. Oh, 22 Pampers. Ah, that's probably what that means. That's definitely what that means. How am I doing this? I don't really know, is the thing. I'm just out here guessing. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put like little comb, brush, cream, or something like that in these two. And then, I don't know if I want to put the Big Daddy this. Let's just see how they fit. This is the first pack of Pampers I've ever opened. Probably in my entire life. How crazy is that? Oh my god, there's no way a baby can fit that. Oh, this is too little. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Oh, so tiny. Is this real? Like, is this real? Okay, so now I'm kind of thinking, should I put them in here? Can I turn them sideways in here? No, but I think if I put them all in here. So I put some on the side because I still had some space left. I don't know if that looks funny. But if I just take one out and rechange. And then one of my old co-workers got me this, which says baby boy on it. And it has like all these essentials on the inside. Ooh. You know, like all the good stuff. So, which reminds me, all of this needs to be washed. I didn't realize there was outfit in there. Oh, what's this? Oh, is it a little bib? Oh, little baby sockies. I feel like I keep having Braxton Hicks contractions lately, like all day today. Not all day, but like earlier this morning, earlier this afternoon, now. Whew. Yeah, that's enough. That's that. Everybody keeps getting us elephants. I feel like elephants is a sign or something. But it also goes with the grand white theme. Look at those ears. So cute. Bump update. This was a lot easier on Pinterest when I saw it, but let me show y'all what I got so far. Okay, so far, I've taken these out because I wasn't really able to close the drawer that nice. What y'all think? Should I move that? I don't know. I don't know. We'll ask James when he gets in. Maybe I should put these Around here too. Center them because they're gonna get big, aren't they? And then I don't know, just keep loads of these for right now. I don't like how that last diaper closes. That's annoying. Oh, let's fill up the diaper caddy as well. That'll be fun. And then the last thing I'm probably gonna do today is our, I want to call it a diaper genie, but it's not a diaper genie. It is like a diaper genie. It's just by Tommy Tippy. What's it called? Twist and Click Advanced Nappy Disposal System. They call them nappies here. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to start saying a nappy, but refill not included. Oh, okay, something else I gotta buy. You think I'm opening this up? Zing! How you know it's the front? How do you know it's the back? Should I read the instructions? My dad would definitely say read the instructions right now. Oh! Oh! Okay, why couldn't I open it before? Okay. Twist and click. Take the bag out. Lord, am I doing this right? I hope I ain't wasting no bag. Ain't no way. Oh, you tired. I'm smelling everything. So just take this back off. Oh! That's funny. Y'all, it's taking me a minute, but I got it. And then you put it down. Cool. Ready for our first diaper or nappy? Cool. I'm keeping this just in case. Instructions is always necessary. Should we put it next to the changing mat? I think so. I do wish it had a thingy though. Should it be right by the door? Because what if it smells like stinky booty when you come in here? Who knows? So our house is finally starting to get a little bit back to normal. We've got carpet in, as you can see. We've got handrail back, which I'm excited about. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys some of the changes that we've made. I think I may save the nursery tour for just like a different video, but we can see everything else right now. So we've got some spotlights installed, which are my favorite. They're actually so bright and beautiful, give great lighting. All right, so we have our spare room, guest room, whatever you want to call it. We've got our bed from made.com. James put it together. He did an okay job. Everything else is really IKEA in here. IKEA. Is that IKEA? Oh, that's H&M. H&M, dressers, IKEA, all that good stuff. That's that room. We also redid our wardrobe room with IKEA stuff, of course. I'm a big fan of the IKEA stuff. So let's go ahead and show you what we got so far. It's not all the way done because I don't know where any of my clothes are still, but let's go. So James has decided he has the first side, which I don't know how I feel about. And then I've got these other sides. This unit was perfect for us because it has like a top space where James can put his shoes and I can put bags I don't use all the time. And then it's got these pull-out drawers that are everything. I absolutely love these drawers. And then it's also got pull-out shoes too. How cute is that? How cute is that? I love this. I love this wardrobe.
So cute.
Shut up. I love this wardrobe.
Pull my shoes out.
Why you want me to pull your shoes out? You happy?
Mm.
You haven't put anything in your drawers yet.
No, I've got no clothes.
You have all the clothes. So yeah, so that is what we have done with these two rooms so far. If you guys can remember, the transformation is real because these rooms were looking crazy before.
Yeah. We still got like mirrors and artwork to put up. We just don't know where to put it.
Don't know where to put it. We needed like a mirror in here.
Yeah.
I just don't know where.
Maybe on this wall.
By the radiator.
Or maybe a full length one there.
Why do you always turn it sideways? Should we peek in the nursery?
Yeah, it's pretty messy.
It's It's pretty messy.
Turn a light on then.
No, but actually I'm in there in the vlog this week, so. Just a little peek, just a little peek. Anyways, we've just eaten and I'm real full, so I'm about to take a nap. I don't know what else to say.
Goodbye.
Bye. Peace.